Hello, welcome back to Brand Sushi Live Nothing. In this episode, we're gonna take a look at kind of like an artful way of masking. So this is actually really simple. It's basically just three different ways we can mask this polygon mesh cube, and each one of them is actually unique, and they shouldn't be overlapping. Okay, this one is overlapping because they are very close to each other, and I'm just using Solidify to solidify that part. Maybe I should go the other way. Um, so yeah, basically it's using some kind of random pattern to get a mask, and each mask in different color is actually different. So if maybe I just can delete everything, take a look what's going on. So we have here example of three different masks. Let's see. Okay, if I actually use all the mask, it's gonna look like a box. Okay, this box have how many faces? Altogether, we have 294 faces because it's subdivided 7 times. And if I use only just a sum of the mask, for example, if I over here, before I do like a selective masking, we have this random number generator that's gonna do the masking for us. But the size, if I reduce the size to a small number, you can see it's doing the masking for us, right? From just a single face until we cover all the mask. Because we have 294 polygon face. Okay, if we just randomly select some mask, we have that. So the idea here is just cover some of the face to get a certain pattern or design. And after you do that, you can just do cool things like mirroring and bisect, and then solidify or subdivide. You're gonna get different pattern. And I think you can also randomize the seed. So here I have time frame that goes into the seed, or we can just unplug that and just scrub here to get a different sort of pattern. I think it's actually better if I put the subdivisions before the solidify. And then maybe you subdivide again. Yeah, this is the pattern that I was talking about. And it's the art of just reducing instead of keep adding and displacing. It's actually reducing the polygon face. I think this is also kind of interesting. So if in a different example, so we have this way of masking. So I thought maybe we can make three separate parts. Here, this is the masking, right? These three separate parts that we can use. So here I'm slicing the index that we want to mask. So the first one goes from 0 to 67, second one 67 to 189, 189 to 295, 294. This is like the total number of the face. So we're gonna have three different parts. This is just another example. Okay, we need to plug that there. The mask length is from here. Okay, so we have the first part, and then we can have second part, and we have and then create duplicates, and finally the last part. If I'm doing this correctly, I should have three different parts. Let me reload. So I think I might have made a mistake. So the first part, and then duplicates. Second part. Third part. Yeah, I think I made a mistake here. Okay. That should be correct. So that's number 3. Anyway, we have 3 parts, right? So this and this. And from here we can just add a solidify, subdivisions, solidify, maybe subdivide again, Control L, connect the modifier, and slide the thickness while holding Alt. So we have that. Interesting pattern. Although this one is kind of randomly selecting it, would be a little bit cooler if we actually can base it on a pattern or some kind of algorithm that's kind of make this kind of broken up pieces a little bit like puzzle. If they are more connected, it's actually more interesting. Here we have too much a little individual, but usually we like something that's more like a bunch of islands connected together. Yeah, so that's the whole idea. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully this is useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.